Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw realistic bubbles. I'm going to be using the app Procreate. So first we're going to select that little dot up there, and then we're going to make the background black. The reason why we're changing the color to black is because it's going to give us that realistic look for the bubbles. Now once we have the background black, we're going to click the brush tool, and then we're going to select a brush to use. Right now I have the one I've already created at the top selected. You can also select different brushes to choose from. The ones I would suggest is sketching and airbrushing. So now that we have our brush selected, we're going to move our color to a darker gray. Now we're going to draw a circle. And we're going to make sure it's a perfect circle. Once we do that, we're going to resize it and center it. Then after, we're going to use Gaussian blur to blur it. We're probably going to stop between maybe 20, 26, 27. 26, 27 is a little bit too blurred out, so we're going to move it to about 23. Now once we're done with that, we're going to duplicate this layer. And we're going to size it down to a smaller circle. After that, then we're going to duplicate another circle, and then we're going to keep doing that until we get most of the page filled. My camera died, so the next part is going to be screen recorded. So now that we have all of our circles together, now we're going to select another brush, and we're going to use the light pen brush, and we're going to change the color to white. Now once we do that, we're going to draw small dots throughout the circles, just like you see on the screen. So now we're going to use the Gaussian blur to blur out the light pen that we just used. Once we finish that, then we're going to combine all the layers, and then we're done. If you want to see more tutorials like this, leave a comment down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Until next time, bye.